Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to find saved videos on Facebook. So let's start. If you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss any updates from us. So let's start. First of all, open your Facebook profile. Then on the top right, you'll find these three lines. Tap on this. Then over here you can see here is saved. Then tap on this saved. Then you can choose your file type from here. Now I'll choose videos. You can see here are videos which I have previously saved. So if we tap on this, here we can find these videos. So in this way we can find saved videos on Facebook. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.